Hello, welcome to this YouTube channel. Now I'm going to show you how you can recover your files, document, video deleted or formatted on your storage by using Windows AI recovery software. Okay. Fox AI recovery software is a software used to recover a lost or deleted file quickly and easily, whether you have accidentally deleted important document, lost photos, video, or formatted a driver by mistake. This software uses AI-powered recovery technology to help scan and restore your data. So I will walk you through the installation process, how to scan your storage device, preview recoverable file, and recover them safely. Recover them safely. Let's see how effective Fox AI recovery is in real world file recovery. If you find this tutorial is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more tech tutorial and software review. Let us continue. Have you ever accidentally deleted the important files, lost your photos after formatting a USB drive or recycle bin? If yes, don't worry. In this video today, I will show you how to recover your lost file using Fox AI recovery. This is a new technology AI, comes to solve your problems for deleted file or formatted lost by accidentally while you are working with your computer. Then the entire process, step by step, is from downloading and installing that software. Remember, it is Fox AI recovery. Then after to install the software, you have to start for scanning your storage device, previewing the recoverable file and restoring them safely. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to recover document, photo, video, and many other file types with just a few clicks. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's get started from downloading. First, you have to open your browser. Then you can find or search Fox AI, Fox recovery AI. Then open Recovery Fox AI website. Okay. Then you see here we have AI data recovery software to recover deleted and lost file. This is a new AI powered data recovery for deleted or formatted files. Then here you see there is a link to download. Let me show you. You see there is another software. Okay. You can find on this website or on this system that can help you to recover your files. Okay, you see. Let me show you here on solution. Here you have solution for deleted file, formatted file, document recovery, photo recovery, desktop file recovery. Here it is the file from your desktop. Then it is the file from your recycle bin when your recycle bin is emptied. Then here you can find the solution about USB driver recovering and even hard driver. Here you can make you can ask support. can ask support where you can make registration and activation of this software, where you can retrieve the license code, and so on. Okay, then let me show you how to download this software, Recovery Fox AI. Then click on download. You see, it is too small. Okay, then go and find it into your download. Then open Recovery Fox AI. We are going to install this software into our computer in order to make the recovery. Okay, you see here, you see it is asking for selecting the language we need to install. You see here we have Espanol, Francais, and Italiano, and so on. Let me choose English. You see, then click next. Here you agree the terms and license. Then this is where the destination folder, where the software is going to install the files. Okay, it is extracting. Okay, then run Recovery Fox AI. Finish. It is opening the software. Okay, you see, this software is opened. Okay, then I opened the WonderFox AI recovery. As you can see, the interface is simple and easy to understand. You see, those are the storage. The software automatically detects the storage device connected to the computer. Okay, you see here you can. Here we have quick access, which are recycle bin and desktop. Then the software automatically detects the storage device connected to the computer. This is my flash drive. Then including the internal hard drive SSD is a storage, USB flash drive, memory card, and other external storage device. Here you can choose the driver where your files were originally stored before they were deleted or lost. In my case, I'm going to select this driver. Now, I will click on scan. Okay. You see, the software begins searching for recoverable file depending on the size of my driver and the number of files it contains. This process may take a few minutes. While the scan is running, it is important to avoid writing new file to the same driver because the new data could overwrite the deleted file, make them more difficult and even impossible to recover. Here you have to wait the scan. Once the scan is completed, you can see the recovered file or the list of recoverable files. Here we have quick scan. Okay, you see here it is still in progress. Scan is in progress. You have to wait. The software is organizing the file into categories such as photo, video, document, audio file, archive, and more. Okay, the scan has been completed. Here you see AI scan completed. Scan progress 100%. File found. Then here the selected items is 0. Let us select. You see? Here it is the existing file. Then this is AI scan. You see? Then the cover. And then we are going to register our product key. Then it is verifying. You see, it is success. You are now registered and ready to recover data. Your license is valid for 7 days. Then OK. Then click recover. Now you can see, here you can see the list of recoverable files. They are organized into category such as photo, video, document, audio file, archive, and so on. These make it much easier to find exactly what you are looking for. If you are searching for a specific file, you can also use to search, feature, or apply. You see here, this is search. Or you can apply filter here to narrow down the list. You see? And then, once one useful feature is the preview option. And then I will click on one of the files to preview it before recovering it. You see, those are the photos. You can make preview. What you want. And then this helps you to confirm that it is the correct file, especially when recovering photo or document. Everything looks good. Now I will select the file I want to recover. Then after to select the file I want to recover, I can click recover button. And then the software asks where I want to save the recovered files. Okay? This is very important. Never save a recovered file back to the same driver where they were lost. Instead, choose another driver or an external device. This will help you to prevent data from being overwritten during the recovery process. I will choose another location. Let me click here on this. Let me choose document. Then click OK. Depending on the number and size of the files, recovery may take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. Let's wait for it to complete. You see, it is covering 1 out of 685. You have to wait. You see, recovery is now finished. Then I will open the destination folder. Click OK. As you can see, the recovered files are available again. I can I will open a few of them to make sure they work correctly. The file opened successfully, which means the recovery was successfully. Before we finish, here we have few tips to improve your chance of successful data recovery. First, stop using the affected driver immediately after you notice data loss. Second, perform the recovery process as soon as possible. The third one, always recover file to a different storage location. Finally, keep regular backup of your important file using external driver or cloud software. Prevention is always better than recovery. So, is WonderFox AI recovery worth using? Based on this demonstration, the software is easy to use, has a clean interface, supports many file types, and make the recovery process straightforward even for beginner. However, remember that no recovery software can guarantee recovering every file. Remember that no recovery software can guarantee recovering every file. Success depends on the factor such as how the file were lost, whether they have been overwritten, and the condition of the storage device. I hope this video helped you to learn how to recover deleted file using WonderFox AI recovery. And I hope that if you are viewing this video without subscribing the channel, click on subscribe, like and comment to the channel. If you found this video useful, please give it to a thumbs up, subscribe to Mr. Etienna Tech, and turn on notification bell so you don't miss future technology tutorial. If you have any question, you can leave the comment into the comment section and I will do my best to help. Thank you for watching this video.